sleeping on Hims, but if you honestly look at Hims pattern, Hims blew up after their Super Bowl commercial, bro. They got it for some reason. Maybe investors started throwing money. Trump says markets may have to take medicine. I'm gonna repeat that. That's the beautiful thing about the market. It just fucks you like that. Yo, what's good, my boys? It's your boy Hazi. And fuck introduction. What the fuck is going on in the market, bro? Like, I'm not even gonna front. Like, the last 2 nights, I was off, not looking at charts and shit. And I just got off work not too long ago. Looked at the charts. Holy shit, bro. We're dumping. What the fuck is going on, brother? I feel like there's a lot to cover here. I want to talk about whether or not it's a good time to buy or what you should do. Stocks that I'm looking at personally that are very good at discounted Black Friday prices. We're going to look at those charts and see why I want to buy them and kind of see what the approach for Monday. It's currently, so today's the 6th. We're looking into the trade for 7th, on the 7th, which is a Monday. Honestly, tomorrow's going to be a day that's going to make it or break it. We're sitting at some crazy support levels right here, like actually insane. We're tested as 51068, and it looks like SPY wants to actually go way more past that. The next thing we're looking at for SPY, if we break through there, we're looking at 496. So I know a lot of people are thinking, do I buy? Do I hold my money? Do I wait? What the fuck do I do? The answer is, I don't fucking know, bro. I'm not a financial advisor, truth be told. But I will tell you this. Regardless of where you buy in at, you're going to be at a discounted price. You have SPY at 505 where it's at right now. It's from 613. If you look at, let's say Tesla's a good buy. I'm not going to cap. A top of 488 all the way down to 233 is already an insane price. Even if you own a couple of those shares, man. Because the thing is, stocks always go up. Look at the history. Stocks always go up no matter what. Yeah, there's always going to be hiccups, but that's how it is. It comes up, it comes down. The rich get rich because they buy the dip. And that's a fact. Buy low, sell high. It's fucking common sense. Hello, look here. You buy low here and then you sell up there. Boom. Fucking rocket science. But you get more intricate when you think about, okay, well, let's go back into the S&P 500. What if we keep dipping right here? What if we have the support of 491? What if we reject that? We're already past 100 EMA on SPY. The thing about this market is now it's political. Obviously, the stocks has always been a political thing, but this year has been a lot more. Because of Trump, whatever he says, like goes or says, it's either going to fuck up the market or make it good. And right now, the things he's pushing out with the tariffs, it's scaring everybody. It's scaring investors. It's scaring normal civilians like you and I. Shit's going to get more expensive. But who knows? People are also saying that he's just doing it for a reason. Like, hey, open your eyes to the discount. Like, buy now. Buy at this discount. It could be life-changing money like how COVID was. When you look all the way back down here. Or even further than that, actually. But stocks go up. They come back down. When they come back down, you buy. Me, personally, I'm dollar cost averaging. I'll buy here. Today, I bought some more crypto, get some more stock. Tomorrow, I'm going to see how it goes. If we can surpass what we have going on here, let's look at the daily. Holy shit, yeah, look, that level was insane. We're down. Sorry in advance for my chart. I know it looks fucking insane, but that's how I trade. I just leave my levels there. I have ADHD. I have to have it. Oh, you look like a fucking noob with all those lines. Shut the fuck up, bitch. I make money. Worry about how you trade. Anyways, yeah, we're looking at 505, and then if we can come back down to a 494, I think we dip from there. But the thing is, we're already past 100 EMA. When you're past that, it usually means you're dumping and bumping. But I think regardless, everything is a good buy. So that's my 2 cents on tomorrow's play and what I kind of want to go about it and how I'm doing it dollar cost averaging. But here are the stocks that I'm really looking into. One I already mentioned is Tesla. One big thing about stocks, I learned this from Aristotle Investments, fucking GOAT, what a legend. He said this: you don't buy the stock for the brand or for the name. You buy the stock for the owner. Because the owner is the visionary. He's the one that's going to plan out the future of the business and the company and branch it out and extend it. If you have a great owner who actually has a real genuine potential for what they want, that says a lot. Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Tim Cook, to name a few, like personal ones that I believe in. Elon Musk, for Tesla, he's innovating new shit every single fucking day. And some stuff we still don't know about. Now, the other day he mentioned electric planes. What? I don't know, especially him being involved with politics. I believe down the future during Trump's term, he's gonna help Tesla get that jump, get that boost as he's already trying. So I feel like Tesla's a definite lock to have in your portfolio, at least a couple shares or one share. As far as the chart goes, it looks like we're coming back down, making the M pattern, coming down to 233. It's still sitting at 239. If tomorrow ends up being a real red day, we could probably just see 215. It's about a $15. It's about a $20 difference from the buy-in. What do you buy? Do you buy in or do you wait? You go with your heart, buddy. I'm gonna just tell you that much. You go with what the chart tells you. You go with what you think was gonna happen, but the truth be told, we don't know what's gonna happen. Another stock I'm looking at is gonna be HIMS. This is an interesting one. Y'all probably sleeping on HIMS, but if you honestly look at HIMS pattern, HIMS blew up after their Super Bowl commercial, bro. They got it for some reason. Maybe investors started throwing money in there, and maybe some other companies started collabing with them or what. But after the Super Bowl commercial, that shit blew up to heading up to 72. That's when the stock market was doing good before the tariff wars and whatnot. From the top of 72 all the way down to $25. Let's just say you buy 1,000 shares of that right now, bro, or whatever it may be, and then it goes back up to your high. You probably triple, quadruple the money right then and there. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not saying to buy it. I don't know. But me personally, we're sitting at a nice support already at $23. What more lower can we go? We actually could go lower. We could come back down to $12 and that it being $20 a share. But it is approaching this 100 EMA level. Interesting one to look at. If it's dipping and it's a nice buy-in, you just got money to throw in. HIMS is a lock in my opinion. NVIDIA is one that's in everybody's book. There's so much controversy around NVIDIA though, especially with the AI chips and whatnot. But I guess Amex backed up for them earlier. There's something about that. Let me look for that real quick. I guess Bank of America just made a statement saying like they fuck with NVIDIA pretty much. Long story short, so that says a lot of a Bank of America, but does it mean enough for the future of their technology? I think it does. I think NVIDIA has a nice long run. They're always gonna be around. I don't know actually. Take back what I said. Nowadays, this whole AI bullshit is gonna be a lot more different companies working on AI. Anybody can outsmart NVIDIA. Anybody can make a better product than NVIDIA. This one is going to be a tough one. Me personally, it could be safe as far as like a 2-3 turn type thing to get into. But if you're looking for more long term, NVIDIA is a sketchy one on my end. Some people may call me fucking stupid for that. NVIDIA's a fucking great one, whatever. That's me personally, buddy. I don't feel safe with it. I don't want it to touch me. I don't want it near me. There's another good Meta. Here's what I want to look at. So we're gonna pull that up. Mark Zuckerberg, bro, this motherfucker's buying everything, bro. He's buying the whole goddamn fucking electronic industry, bro. The whole gig, the whole world. Bro's popping off. Not only that, he isn't trying to innovate a lot of stuff and take over for companies like Instagram and Snapchat. He owns Instagram, but he's kind of trying to take the aspect from Twitter is what I meant, like the aspect of X. So he's just trying to be the top dog. But as far as like, looking at a chart here, Meta was sitting at a 740. We're now down at a 479. Oh, sorry, a 495. About a $300 difference is kind of insane. Not gonna lie. Meta would be a pretty good one to keep at least one, like on some Bitcoin type shit. If you would have had a Bitcoin back in like 2013 or whatever. Imagine saying like in 2030, bro, I bought Meta back in 2025. You'd be like, what the fuck during that terrorist 25 dip? And shit's probably gonna be sitting at a couple grand. Who knows? Maybe it drops more. That's the beautiful thing about the market. It just fucks you like that. But Meta, I low-key think is a guaranteed cop. Overall, like I said, I'm dollar cost averaging here and there. I'm not sure if it's smart enough to just dump a shit ton into it and just sell my puppy and sell my cat and just put the money into the stocks and crypto, but it could keep dumping more. At this rate, with Trump going on, saying all this shit about terrorists, pushing it hard, I guess I get it for the long term. He wants to seem more fierce, seem more powerful. People are calling him a bully. People say what the fuck they want to say. But one thing Trump did say here on Yahoo Finance, I'm going to pull this up, that made me quite intrigued was Trump says markets may have to take medicine. I'm going to repeat that. Trump says markets may have to take medicine. What the fuck does that mean? What does he mean by that? That sounds kind of scary, honestly, on some no bullshit. Yeah, so there's that. I guess they posted that 3 hours ago. I don't know when he said that, probably recent as fuck. it could mean anything. He might say some good news to make up the market get up better, or probably pump some fucking steroids, or probably tell Nancy Pelosi to fucking, go all in. Who fucking knows? But yeah, interesting times we're in, boys, for trading. Best of luck to everybody. And it's been your boy Hazi. I'll catch y'all motherfuckers in the next video. Stay safe out there. Be y'all.